A stuck charge cable on your F-150 Lightning can be incredibly frustrating, but you can manually release it by accessing the emergency pull cord located behind the trim panel in the frunk. This mechanical override physically disengages the locking pin when the electronic release fails or the truck loses power. First, ensure your truck is unlocked and fully powered down. Open the frunk and locate the plastic trim panel on the driver's side, directly behind the charge port area. You will need a simple flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to gently pop this panel loose. Carefully pry the edges of the access panel until it snaps free, exposing the inner fender cavity. Shine a flashlight inside, and you will see a small cable with a loop or handle attached to it. This is your manual release mechanism designed specifically for this situation. Reach in and pull the loop firmly but steadily straight back toward the rear of the truck. You should hear and feel a distinct click as the locking pin on the charge port actuator mechanically retracts. While holding tension on the pull cord with one hand, use your other hand to pull the charging handle straight out of the port. The cable will slide out smoothly once the pin is fully disengaged. After removing the cable, push the emergency pull cord back into its original position. Reinstall the plastic trim panel by lining up the retaining clips and pressing firmly until it snaps flush.